Has India gone for a tit-for-tat action against UK? British nationals arriving in India, irrespective of their vaccination status, will have to undergo 10 days of mandatory quarantine from October 4th. This is viewed as the reciprocal action initiated by the government following the vaccine certification row between the two countries, reported PTI on Friday. However, official sources said India had decided to impose reciprocal actions on British nationals arriving in India, as the issue relating to the UK not recognizing Indian vaccine certificates could not be resolved. They said India's new regulations will come into effect from October 4th and they will be applicable to all British nationals arriving in India from the UK. Under the norms, all British nationals arriving in India from the UK, irrespective of their vaccination status, will also have to undertake the pre-departure COVID-19 RT-PCR test within 72 hours before travel, the sources said. They will also have to undertake COVID-19 RT-PCR test on arrival. The British nationals, irrespective of their vaccination status, will again have to undertake RT-PCR test on day 8 of their arrival in India, the sources said. The British nationals will also have to undergo mandatory quarantine at home or in destination address for 10 days after arrival, they said. These measures will come in the back of the UK government recently issuing an updated international travel advisory to include AstraZeneca Covishield among the eligible COVID-19 vaccine formulations, but kept India out of the 18 countries on an approved vaccinations list, requiring Indians to follow rules set out for non-vaccinated travelers. Despite the inclusion of Covishield, Indian travelers are not exempt from the quarantine rules under the UK's new international travel norms that will come into force from October 4th. But the British officials in New Delhi maintained that the main issue is vaccine certification and not the vaccine, and that both India and the UK are holding talks to mutually resolve the matter. According to the UK rules, Indian travellers who have received both doses of the Covishield vaccine manufactured by the Serum Institute of India will be considered unvaccinated and will have to undergo self-isolation for 10 days. Developed by researchers at the University of Oxford and pharma giant AstraZeneca, Covishield is one of the two anti-COVID vaccines used by India, Bharat Biotech's Covaxin being the other, in its vaccination drive across the country. There was widespread condemnation of the UK's decision in India to not cover Covishield under the reviewed international travel norms, and the government on Tuesday warned of reciprocal measures if its concerns relating to the vaccination certification are not addressed by October 4, when these norms come into effect. The new travel advisory came amid much confusion over the process for Indian travellers, as the advisory states formulations of the 4 listed vaccines such as AstraZeneca Covishield, AstraZeneca Vaxzevria and Moderna Takeda qualify as approved vaccines. However, UK government officials have indicated that Indian travellers to the UK must follow the non-vaccinated rules, which means Indian passengers must take a COVID test 3 days before departure and book in advance for 2 COVID tests to be taken upon arrival in England. From October 4th, travellers from 18 additional countries with eligible vaccines, including Australia, Japan, Singapore and Malaysia, will fall under the UK's list of recognized jabs of Oxford, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, BioNTech, Moderna or Janssen vaccines. The UK's Department of Health and Social Care has said that this list is reviewed fortnightly. The Indian government had said it is working with several countries to recognize India's vaccine certification on a mutual reciprocal basis. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.